LOL, got a weird question. For those with poor imagination, you got any tips for how to articulate the backlinks profile with branded links? And will branded links only go to homepage or mixing into inner pages with keyword plus brand? In the past, I have often just used the same branded plus keyword links. Maybe over time it will become a pattern as well. Um, so as far as like branded plus keyword links, I do that sometimes as well as kind of like yeah, just a way to like kind of do kind of like a mix of like natural and a little bit more aggressive linking. Um, Not sure I understand your question though. How to articulate the backlinks profile?
Well, let's start with, I guess, the first one, right? Articulate. Well, I'm
I'm
not
not
sure
sure.
I understand the
Yeah.
first one. The second one, though, only go to homepage. No, you can mix branded links. Branded links can go to any inner page, help diversify your anchor text profile. You can do keyword plus brand. So, like hypothetical, where SER links a lot. SER links a lot. SEO products is probably an anchor you might have seen. We don't manipulate the backlinks to that site, so all natural. So I don't know. But yeah, so that is a technique, and it does stand to produce good results. Um,
Yeah, so as
yeah,
far, I'm not sure if I understand your first part about how to articulate the backlinks profile. Maybe it was a typo or something. If you want to clarify that, Kim. But yeah, as far as like branded links going to the homepage, I think that's a different
yeah,
question.
I think so.
But yeah, as far as branded links going to the homepage, I will say that most of the branded links I make, I do send to the homepage. But yeah, you can also do the inner page branded links as well, and you probably should do some. Um, just I don't go as heavy on the branded links on inner pages, but it's still definitely something you're gonna want to do. Um, because yeah, like even like your inner pages, you want, your anchor profile for each inner page needs to be diversified, right? So you don't want it to be like all just like keyword type stuff. So, throw in some, just like you would to the site overall and to the homepage, throw in some branded, some URL and some generic anchors to your inner pages as well. Um, yeah, not seeing you
And then just in
clarify.
case, because I'm seeing a lot of branded and keyword links, but always diversify with random anchors as well. Website, click here, all those random things, and then plenty of long tails as well. The same as we talk about diversification of your backlinks profile, we're talking about anchor text profile as well. So, you know, uh, you'll want to do more than just branded and money anchors.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for links to our blog for more info on this topic, along with a bunch of other cool stuff like case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you enjoyed the video. Thanks and happy ranking.